Family reunion. It's all the same.
On our left is Comet, Waldameer's historic wooden roller coaster that was built in 1951 by the Philadelphia Toboggan Company, designed by Herbert Schmidt. It is just one of 20 Ace Coaster classics in the country. It stands 37 feet tall and has a top speed of 25 miles an hour. It's been giving thrills to families for generations.
What?
On our right is Peninsula Drive. That is the road that leads to Presque Isle, hence its name. Millions of people drive down this road every summer to visit Presque Isle State Park. And across the street is the Tom Ridge Environmental Center. Next door to that is a turnaround on Ravine Flyer 2 after it crosses the bridge over the road. On our left is Rally Racer, one of our most popular water slides that opened in 2020. It stands 46 feet tall and up to 6 people at a time can race each other on mats. Directly ahead of us is the north end of the park, which was built in 2011. All 3 rides are manufactured by Zamperla. You can look over to your right, that is the giant blue bridge. It is 165 feet long and it spans Peninsula Drive. It's part of Ravine Flyer 2, recently voted as the 8th best wooden roller coaster in the entire world. Can you believe that? It features a 120-foot drop, a top speed of 60 miles an hour, plenty of airtime along the way, and beautiful views of the lake and the peninsula. It opened in 2008 and was built by the Gravity Group. It took over 15 years of planning to get it built.
And it was bumpy too.
everybody wave hello to the people on Flying Swain. Hello, Flying Swain. On our right is the Ferris wheel. It opened in 1994 and was manufactured by Chance Ride. It stands 100 feet tall and provides beautiful views of the park and the surrounding area. Directly ahead of us, on the other side of the lazy river, are the green and the yellow body slides. They were the original 2 water slides that opened with Waterworld in 1986.
Just come through here. Are we going the opposite direction?
We're going somewhere.
Wait, where's M then for all of this?
If you look up and to your right, you will see Rocket Blast. It opened in 2023 and was manufactured by ProSlide. It stands 67 feet tall and features 3 uphill sections where it boosts you uphill using powerful jets of water. They call it a water coaster, and it is the only water coaster of its kind in Northwest Pennsylvania. It was the final addition to the water park as part of their 10-year plan to expand the water park during the 2010s. is Chaos. It is the only ride at Waldameer, obviously, that goes upside down and it takes you 60 feet in the air while doing so. It opened in 2019 and was manufactured by Zamperla. Ride it if you dare.
Oh, I dare. Here is the parking lot. I know.
All right, everybody, just a friendly reminder for your safety. Keep your arms and legs inside the train and remain seated at all times. We are about to enter the tunnel. Here we go.
Oh boy. I want to get off. I'm gonna cry. It's not Anderson. I'm looking at it. Actually, so much fun. Sounds like the Baker bus. The Baker bus had the strap kids in and red issues. Yeah, I don't know what the hell it is. I'm getting out. Give me your BSA approved guide. I made $5 off it,
They're cooking. Something's being cooked. Smells like they're making burgers.
the dog. Shane got the way
On our left is Mega Vortex. It opened in 2009, was manufactured by Zamperla. Takes riders spinning 50 feet in the air.
Outward on that.
that just about concludes our journey. As the train approaches the station, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Thank you for riding El Ruth Express and enjoy the rest of your day at Waldameer.
It's like you're queer. What was the other one? You're a queer. Queer. Jump on for Attica. I feel like Attica's the only place where the prison is visible from the school.